Welcome to Culinary Conversations, the podcast that transforms kitchen skeptics into culinary enthusiasts. I'm your host, Bella Lafay, your culinary confidant and the voice behind the apron. In this episode, we will be discussing, do you put onions in your potato salad? Growing up as a child, there were very few things that I found unappealing as. Growing up as a child, there were very few things that as a child, it wasn't just the taste of the onion, it was also the texture. But as a child, it seemed like they were onions had a strange ability to go from crunchy to slimy in a way that didn't make sense to me. And in potato salad, where everything is supposed to be smooth and biting into an unexpected piece of onion was like stepping on a Lego barefoot. It hurt, you know? And it's like something threw the taste off. That comforting most things, there were onions inside of it. As a child, onions were like, yuck. So, let's see. If I saw an onion in my potato salad, I'm busy picking it out.
Do you put onions
it to the side, picking it out. So my question to you is, do you put onions in your potato salad? So what really baffled me was that no one else seemed to mind. In fact, everyone seemed to like onions in their potato salad. My family would rave about the potato salad. It had onions in it. So my question to you is, do you put onions in your potato salad? Because as an adult, I don't. As an adult, I must admit that I love me a white onion. I like it sauteed. I make Asian stir fry. I like it with spinach, with some soy sauce. I love me a nice white onion. I would argue that the wonderful taste of the eggs in the potatoes, I add some mustard. Do you add mustard? Do you like onions in your potato salad? And the creaminess and the tang and a few seasonings really makes it taste so good that adding onions would just be sabotaging the taste and messing up my perfect dish. What do you think? Do you put onions in your potato salad? All jokes aside, this conversation reflects how, as we age, our palate may change. So maybe you didn't like onions when you were a child, but you like them as an adult, or vice versa. It's all a part of the journey. Learning to love what you taste. Learning to cook what you love. Learning how to cook it so that you do love it. Maybe you didn't like it, but if you cook it the right way, you will. Thinking about my childhood and my disdain for onions, it got me thinking about how food preferences evolve over time. What we once couldn't stand might become something we enjoy over time and tolerate very well as our palates mature. So whether you're a beginner cook or someone looking to spice up their routine, join me on this delicious journey. Together we'll whip up fantastic dishes. Let's dive into the kitchen and make every meal a celebration. Thank you for listening to Culinary Conversations, and add us to your playlist, and I'll be back with another great episode.